So this video will be showing you how to link your Tuya app to your smart breaker or other smart devices. So all you need to do is first I assume that you've done your registration process with Tuya, and after doing that, I will now be linking it with a smart breaker at this time. So when you open your Tuya app, this is what it looks like. And the next thing you need to do is make sure that the smart meter is turned on. After doing that, a you ensure you have four things on your device, unless if you are using a an external hotspot. And let me also mention that not all phones allow you to turn on your Wi-Fi and hotspot together. Some phones immediately you on your Wi-Fi, the hotspot turns off. So if you have that kind of phone, that means you need to use another device to serve as a hotspot, or you have a router. So in this device, I'll be using a router instead of using an hotspot at my hand. So I don't need to turn on my hotspots in this case. But I'll turn. Well, for some people you need to on four things. For some you need to on three. So on my own case, I'll be on in only three. So I have another video whereby we used four. So I'll put the link in this video. So all I need to turn on here is just my Wi-Fi, and hope it connects to a Wi-Fi that I need to use. If not, I will need to do it at the device end. The other thing I need to do is to turn on my Bluetooth, then also my location. Some phone calls it GPS, some calls it location. So mine calls it location, so I'll just turn it on. Is on. So then I'll go back to the Tuya app. On the Tuya app, if you look at the top right corner, you see a plus sign. I'll click on it and press add device. Immediately to start searching and to see the switch or the breaker. So in a case whereby it's not blinking or it's not showing your app and you just have a blank screen here, instead of doing the manual way of getting the device to show, you can easily go back to the breaker itself. On some breaker, all you need to do is just to click. So this thing is doing it automatically. I don't want to do it that way. So I don't want to do it this way. So I'll go back, quit. Yeah, so I want to go back. Yeah, so all you need to do, if your device is not seeing, if your phone is not seeing your device, the Tuya app is not seeing your device, you just press down the third button on your device that is meant for Wi-Fi. You press it down and you hold it for about 5 seconds. I've done that to mine, and immediately you do that, the signal indicator starts blinking, or maybe on some devices it will show that Wi-Fi is on. So all you need to do after doing that, if you've seen that signal, all you need to do is press add device and it will show up here. Yeah, and for mine now it's called intelligence switch. Some are called breaker, some are called different things. So I'll just pick this. And then I pick it, it will search for all the Wi-Fi around me. And now I have different Wi-Fi's. I can use, let me use the first one, and to ask me for the password. So all I need to do is pressing my password. So I'll just do that. Uh, I hope it's correct, and I'll press next. Immediately I do this, it will try to add the device to my Tuya app. If the password is wrong, it won't add. That can be a complication. So ensure you know your password and it's correct, or else when you do this and it fails, it makes the process harder. So ensure you have the right password. And immediately you do this, you've connected to the device, just click on done. It will take you directly to the device. You can see the device is working. You can see the voltage. You can see. So for this device, it's already set on prepaid mode. That's why you are seeing the balance of the units. You can see the frequency. You can see the temperature. So this temperature is it combines the temperature of the device itself. So the environment may influence it. If the environment is hot, or the device is hot, it will go up. You can see the total allowed current. You can see the power factor. So presently I'm not drawing anything from the device, that's why it's like this. And the very interesting thing is that the model of the device, this page depends on the model of the device. For some, you won't be able to see the currents or the active power or those kind of things. So but for people that want to use this for um energy, like a prepaid meter, like energy sharing or something, so all you need to do is that you can from here, a good practice is that if you're having multiple devices, you can first rename this device. So to rename it, at the top right corner you see a pen and a paper. I'll click on it. Then to give me ability to do different things. One is to rename the device. I can also share with other people. So I know some people love to share it, maybe with their clients or their tenants. So all you need to do is I can press on this intelligence switch and change the name. I can even add the location to it, but I won't be going into that. So I will change the name. So for me to change the name, I'll just erase what I have there and say, oh, probably flat one, probably the address. Or maybe to make it more descriptive, I can say Omnikoko, or let me say um, Ages Estate Block 4, Flat 1, and save. So when I do that, it makes it easy to identify this device among multiple devices. Then also I can also share this device with someone else, maybe the client that owns this flat. So all I need to do is click on share, and to ask me, it has different options. Then also it asks the number of it will ask you for the number of people that you want to make them use this link. So if you want only one person to have access to this link, you just add the number. So if the person already has a Tuya app, you press that. If the person doesn't, if you want to send through SMS, you can send that. Then if you want to send a link, so just say copy link. Then to ask you how many times you want the links to be used, just one. That's all. And you've copied it. Then from there you can share it with the person, and the person that has the link will need to go install Tuya and create his own account. From there, you'll be able to see this device. So that's all about this. Showing the network I'm connected to. And the good thing is that when you are using a router, like in this case now, I'm not using my phone as the hotspot, but you can use your phone. I have a video on that already. All you need to do is to on your phone has to allow Wi-Fi and hotspot to be on together. If your phone doesn't do that, just get another phone to do it. And let the phone be your router. The other phone you're using to be your router, then you can connect through the same way I just did mine. And also, it's worthy to note that this device only allows 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, not 5. So you actually your router must have that 2.4 for it to get to this stage. So okay, so now we're done with renaming, we are done also with connecting. So now we have the device. So let me show you how you make your device work as a prepaid meter. So normally this one is already showing working the other way, so I'll need to turn it off, then I'll do it again. So you click on setting, then you go to expense management. You click in the password. So the password is always 004 times, but as a good practice, after, in case you are sharing also, a good practice is that you change the password, and please write it down because it can't be retrieved. So 04 times. Then this is where you have the expense management. So now presently the prepayment switch is on. That's why it's acting as a prepaid meter. If it's off, that means the device is not a prepaid meter. You can use any amount of units you want. It won't stop you when the unit is done. But for this, I will turn it on so it can act as a prepaid meter. Then also how to recharge. For you to recharge, all you need to do is to click on energy recharge. Then you write the number of units you want to recharge. So presently we have 10, so I can add, let's say the person paid for 90, so I can add 90 units to it and it will add up. So immediately I press 90, it will tell you 90, to confirm it, 90 units recharge, then you confirm, then I had 10 before, so 10 plus 90 is 100, so presently we have 100. And also you can clear the balance if you want to do that. But remember that if the prepayment switch is on and you clear the balance, that means that it starts zero. So immediately it starts zero, the device will trip off. You can test that, and I hope you hear the sound because the device is very close to me. So I'll click on clear balance, then you confirm it. Sure. So you can hear that sound. That shows that the device has stripped off. And that's one thing about it. So let me recharge it back so I can do some demonstration. Okay, is back, and let me go back, but the device is still tripped off. So then this is how to change your password. From this page under the setting, you see change password. Please, when you change password, write it down as it can't be retrieved, or else you need to format the device. Okay, so now because of the expense management I cleared, you can see that the device stripped off. And for me to just turn it on, now that there's balance, I'll just go to the downside of my screen, the left side. You'll see off. Presently it's off, but it's saying it's because it was on before, so it's saying it as it's still on, but I'll need to turn it off, then to turn on. Yeah, so it's on at this moment and everything is working. So that's it. Let me know if you would like to see on that thing this device can do, and I'll make a video for it.